morning, students. Today we will start solving another new exercise, that is area of trapezium, rhombus, quadrilateral and parallelogram. Clear? So whatever the important geometrical shapes are useful in our day-to-day life, I will go through them, and what is the formula to find out the area of that type of shape, I will write here on the board. You have to note down and apply the same formula to solve the questions what I will give you to solve. Okay? Extra questions you will solve on the workbook. So first of all, I have in area of trapezium. The shape of the trapezium is this way. One pair of the sides is parallel to each other, and other two sides are non-parallel. One of the parallel side is called A, and the second parallel side is called B. And the distance between the parallel side A and B is H. What I called the distance between the two parallel sides A and B is H. So the formula for the area is equal to 1 by 2 H into A plus B. 1 by 2 into H bracket A plus B means the sum of parallel sides A plus B denotes the sum of the two parallel sides. Clear? Next one is second formula, area of rhombus when diagonals given. जब diagonals दिए हो तो area of rhombus क्या होगा? Inverse the shape of the rhombus in which all sides are equal. What I told you? All sides are equal. This is the diagonal number 1 and this is the diagonal number 2. So area is nothing but 1 by 2 into product of diagonals. What I told you? 1 by 2 into product of the diagonals, that is 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. Now the third formula, area of rhombus when altitude and side given, that is equal to side into H. Side into H. This is the third formula. Fourth one, area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. The fifth one, area of quadrilateral when diagonal and height are given, that is equal to 1 by 2 into D bracket altitude 1 plus altitude number 2. 1 by 2 into D bracket H1 plus H2. The shape corresponds this way. You can say this is one kind of the coordinator. This is diagonal number 1. Then this is H1 and this is the H2 and this is the D value. So this way we people can analyze the result. This is the coordinator and the line joining to the opposite vertices is diagonal. Height 1 and height 2. So this way we can find out the area of the quadrilateral also. So these are the formulae which are very important, and we people have to note down all these. Next, question number 1, let me see. The shade given here, that you can see in the first question, the shape of trapezium is given, that is like this way. The one parallel side is 1.2 meters, second parallel side is 1 meter. You can say this is A and this is B. The distance between parallel side is 0.8 meter. 0.8 meter. We have to find the area. So this is the figure, you know. Solution given A is equal to 1.2 meter, B is equal to 1 meter, and height H is equal to 0.8 meter. Then after, area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 D. Now the d1 H into A plus B. So that comes 1 by 2 into 8 by 10 A plus B. 1.2 plus 1, that goes 2 4 the 2 2 the 5 the 2 by 5 into 2.2. That is coming again further we can write on. It's coming 2 by 5 into 22 over 10 means 2 1 the 5 the equal to 22 by 25 meter square, or you can cancel out this one. Clear everybody? So area will be equal to be 0. What will be the answer? After dividing this, we will get 0.8 meter square. So this will be the area of this geometrical shape, that is the trapezium. So we had given side A equal to 1.2, side B equal to 1 meter, and the distance between the parallel side, you can say this distance is nothing but H value. Clear? So this is about the question. You people should have the knowledge of parallel sides as well as the altitude. Then after easily you people can overcome the difficulty. Question number 2 here, beta. Whatever the things given in the question, you just mark them and apply the formula. It will become more easier. The area of trapezium. Question number 2. Given area of trapezium is equal to 30 centimeter square. This is given in the book. And the parallel side A is given equal to 10 centimeter. A equal to 10 centimeter and S is equal to 4 centimeter and side B is not given. We have to use the formula according to this way. We can see what the dimension given. This is called A, this is called B, and this is known as H value. So what is A here? 10. B is not given. Find out the derivation you can put, and H equal to 4 centimeter. Also area is given. So we can use the formula area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into H 4 into A plus B 10 plus B. Clear? So this will come 34 equal to this will reduce to 2 into 10 plus B. So 2 17s are, which implies 17 is equal to 10 plus B. So 17 minus 10 is equal to B. So B value will come 7 centimeter. B value will come 7 centimeter. This is a solution for question number 2. You can see very clearly. Understood everybody? So these are diagrammatical parts, which is very important. You can analyze the figure, whatever the dimensions given, A, B value, H value, area, whatever the missing value, while using this formula, you people can solve easily. Understood? Next question number 3 is the most important question ever I seen in this exercise. Question number 3, important one. Let me see the question number 3. What is that? I need not to read the statement. As the diagram is here on the board, you can predict what is given and what to do. See the figure here. This is the figure given. ये मेरे पास फिगर है. A B C D. A B C D and this angle of 90 degree. A B C D. Now the fence is required. One person using the fence from A to B, B to C, C to D and D to A. He wants to cover all the field throughout all the sides. What is given here? Perimeter. Means total length is equal to 120 meters. And in the book BC 48, CD 17, I am writing all the dimensions. AD 40. AD 40. Then this length, find the area and AB side. This is not given. According to question, AP plus BC plus CD plus AD is equal to, it's given 120 M. So what is the value of AP? X plus 48 plus 70 plus 40 is equal to 120. So this whole will become X plus 120 is equal to 120. So x value will be 120 minus 105. So x is coming 15 मीटर. x की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी 15 मीटर. तो ये मेरे पास क्या हुआ, परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस है AB is nothing but AB is equal to x और कौन क्या होगा तो h, that is equal to 15 meter. Now area of the trapezium, area of trapezium 1 by 2 into h, 15 into 8 plus 3, 48 plus 40 equal to 1 by 2 into 15 into 88 to 44 660 meter square. This is the value of area. Clear everybody? How I calculated this unknown side AB? AB is nothing but the perpendicular distance. It is given name as the altitude. Clear everybody? So this is the question here that you have to see clearly. Then question number 4, beta. One coordinate is given here. See the question number 4, the diagram is given in the text also. This way you can see. This is the coordinate given in the book. You can see h1 ये है 13 सेंटीमीटर, सॉरी मीटर. h2 कितना है 8 मीटर and d is equal to 24 meter. So you can write it. Given h1 is equal to 13 meter, h2 is equal to 8 meter, d is equal to 24 meter. So area of quadrilateral is equal to 1 by 2 into d bracket h1 plus h2. This is the formula already discussed with you. That will come 1 by 2 into d 24 into 13 plus 8. That will give me 12 into 21. Will be equal to be 252 meter square. So very simple one. You people can go through this one and you can easily find out the solution. Clear everybody? This is the question number 4. 5. The question number 5. What's the question number 5? The diagonal of numbers are this and this. What numbers is given? See. D1 7.5 and D2 12. D1 D1 of rhombus is equal to 12 centimeter, D2 of rhombus equal to 7.5 centimeter. Now area of rhombus 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. This is a formula for area of the rhombus, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 12 into 75 by 10. 2 6 are 3 2 are 5 2 are 5 1 are 5 equal to 45 centimeter square. This is the area of the rhombus as given here, diagonal 1, diagonal 2. So area of the rhombus 1 by 2, product of the diagonals. Clear everybody? So this is the question number 5. Then question number 6. Given one rhombus, it's given side 5 centimeter, side 5 centimeter given. Clear everybody? And altitude is 4.8. Altitude is 4.8 centimeter given. If one diagonal 8 centimeter, given side equal to 5 centimeter, height h is equal to 4.8 centimeter, d1 is equal to, it's given in the book, d1 is nothing but equal to 8 centimeter and d2 is under supposition. We have to find out. So we know, what do we know? Area of rhombus with side and height is equal to side into height. So that will be equal to side into height. 5 into 48 by 10. 5 2 is 12 is equal to 12. 5 2 are 2, 24 are 24 centimeter square is the area of rhombus. Now, area of rhombus when diagonal given equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. So area I have calculated 24 equal to 1 by 2 into d1 8 into d2. 4 2s are 8 and 4 6s are. So which implies d2 is coming 6 centimeter. So I have again calculated the value of the diagonal number 2 that was here. Clear everybody? So question number 7 I have homework and question 8 I will do. Question 7 homework, 8 I have to do. One person is along the roadside as well along the river, this way and this way. Clear? The field is lying this way. This side a road is lying and this side a river is lying. River. The trapezium shaped field is lying each side parallel road as well as river. And the distance apart between the two parallel sides is equal to 100 meters. Clear everybody? Now the condition is given: one of the parallel side river and twice to the side along the road. रिवर का जो साइड है वो 2 टाइम्स है और रोड साइड के, इसका मतलब A का वैल्यू मेरे पास x हो जाएगा और B का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा 2x. So this is the question number 7. Side along river equal to B equal to 2x meters and side along road is equal to A is equal to x meter, and again the height equal to 100 meter. Also the area of the field is 10,500 meter square. Area of field 10,500 meter square. It is also mentioned. So area of rhombus, area of not rhombus, trapezium field. One by 2 h into A plus B. So area value is given 10,500 is equal to 1 by 2 into h 100 A plus B. X cross 2 times x, so that goes 50 and 10 part. So 0 will again come, which implies 210 is equal to 3 times x. 3 7 0. So x value is coming to 70 meters. So 2x will be 2 into 70 is equal to 140 meters. So these are the two values which are given: side parallel to the road as well as parallel to the river. One side is 70 and other side is twice of that, 70 into 2, 140. So this question is an 8 number question. 8 question this one. Clear? Now question number 9. Question number 9 we will ask you. So no problem. So one kind of octagon is mentioned in the question. Let me see question number 9. Octagon. See. This is the octagon given in the textbook, and we can draw the lines in the dot which are parallel to one another. In the figure is mentioned this way. So the top of the surface is raised in the shape of a regular octagon. Regular it is given means each and every side 5 meters put this point of equality 5 meter each side, and this is 11 meters. So this again should be 11 meters. Should everybody know this distance? This distance h is equal to nothing but 4 meters. So this again will be of 4 meters. So let I choose A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let me see for part 1. I am taking it as part number 1. Part 1. Part 1, what is it? A rectangle. Rectangle whose name is ABCD. ABCD है, उसका लेंथ कितना है 11 मीटर और ब्रेथ कितना है 5 मीटर. रेक्टेंगल में लेंथ और ब्रेथ दिया है, तो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल 11 into 5 is equal to 55 meter square. I calculated the area of this part only. Now, part number 2, and this is the part number 3. Part 2 and 3 both are the congruent. Part 2 and 3 क्या है? ट्रेपेजियम है. ट्रेपेजियम है, तो बेटा ट्रेपेजियम के लिए जो A का वैल्यू है वो 11 है, 11 मीटर है, B का वैल्यू 5 मीटर है और H की वैल्यू है 4 मीटर. मुझे ऐसे दो ट्रेपेजियम का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है, नॉट ऑफ सिंगल. टॉप ट्रेपेजियम एंड बॉटम ट्रेपेजियम. एरिया ऑफ टू ट्रेपेजियम into this way. So that will be 2 and 2 will be cut. H 4 into A plus B 11 plus 5. 4 into 16. 64 centimeters, not sorry, meters square. So we can find out total area equal to 55 plus 64 is equal to 119 meter square. This will be the area of this total shape as given the octagon, that is regular octagon. So you people can see as I have divided this regular octagon in 3 parts. A, B, C, D. This is a rectangle length 11, breadth 5. 55 is the area. Second trapezium. A is 11, B is equal to 5, and H is equal to 4. So area of two trapezium 1 by 2 into H into A plus B multiplied by 2. So this gives me the value of the regular octagon's area. Okay. We will do question number 10. Students are here, Jyoti and Kavita. One figure given here. This is the figure here. This distance is 15 meters. This and this side equal. This again 15. this again 15 meter. Now this whole diagram gives me the height as 30 meter. Now this has been divided into two parts as Jyoti diagram and Kavita diagram. Let me see. 15 it will remain, and this is one partition among the figure, and this is Jyoti, and second is the girl by name Kavita. 15. This is made as a triangle which the upper part is right upon. This is for Kavita. कविता का पार्ट और ज्योति का पार्ट दोनों को ध्यान से देखेंगे और दोनों का एरिया बना करेंगे। अब ये जो मेन फिगर है फिगर वन, ठीक है। This is the figure number 1 as we see. This figure is analyzed, first figure analyzed by two candidates in two different tables, by Jyoti's part and Kavita's part. This is the point we understand by us. अगर ये डिस्टेंस है तो ये 30 मीटर होगा, ये 50 है तो ये कितना 7.5 और तो ये भी 7.5। अब मैं इस पार्ट का एंगल निकालता हूं, एरिया इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू एच वैल्यू 7.5 इंटू ए प्लस बी 15 प्लस 30. दिस विल गिव मी 1/2 into 75/10 into 45. That will give me over 4. There are two triangles, so we can multiply with 2 also. 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. So over 2 will remain. So 675/2 meter square. This is the area of the first part. So let me see the area of the second part. Second part के area में मुझे क्या करना है, पहले ABCD का ले लो। ABCD क्या है? स्क्वायर है। एरिया ऑफ ABCD इज इक्वल टू 15 इंटू 15 इक्वल टू 225 मीटर स्क्वायर। अब टॉप पार्ट अगर हम देखें, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल DCE या CDE, ये कैसा बन रहा है मेरे पास? 1/2 इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट। ट्रायंगल बन रही है, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट। हाइट ये टोटल 15 है तो ये कितना बचेगा? 15 ही बचेगा। सो ये बनेगा 225/2 112.5 मीटर स्क्वायर। तो इसका एरिया कितना जाएगा टोटल? एरिया टोटल विल बी 225 plus 112.5 is equal to 337.5 मीटर स्क्वायर। तो ये कितना होगा? आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन दिस विल बी 337.5 meter square. Both the areas are same. By this occasion and by this occasion, we calculate area of the same type of the figure which was calculated by Jyoti and Sanita. The way was different, but the total area that we found it is equal. So this completes our exercise 11.2 and we will continue next 11.2 after some time. Okay, let me take a break.